Hey guys, we are so excited to welcome you to Magnolia Junior High, and we can't wait for you to get here next year. And we want to make sure that your experience here is a fantastic one, which is why today's presentation is so important. You know, at Magnolia Junior High, we're all about pushing the limits of possibility. And we want that for every single one of our students that are here. But in order to do that, we got to get you in the right classes and make sure that we are finding a place that's a good fit for you. So our counselors today are going to talk to you about your schedule for next year, and I want you to pay really close attention to the very important information that they have to give you. We can't wait to see you next year.
Hello Mustangs, my name is Kellen McCullen and I am one of the counselors at Magnolia Junior High. Today we're going to share some helpful information with you about selecting courses for next year. This video will also be available on the MJH website under the Counselors tab. You can find other helpful documents, including a course catalog, there too. Please take some time to go over all this information with your parent or guardian. I'm looking forward to seeing you at MJH next year. Okay guys, when selecting your classes, the first thing you're going to do is choose your 4 core classes between either on level or advanced. There's a really good document that the district has put out that's available again on the MJH website under the Counselors tab that goes into detail about the differences between on-level and advanced courses. Please take some time to review this to really consider which is going to be the best choice for you.
We're going to talk about electives. So you've chosen your 4 core classes, which equals 4 credits. You'll be picking 1 credit from a choice of PE. And then you're going to be able to choose 2 electives that equal 2 credits. So you can do this by either picking 1 year-long and a couple of semester classes that are half each, 2 year-long, 4 semester classes. So you're going to find information regarding the electives on the back of your course request. The next thing we're going to talk about is PE and athletics. All 7th grade students need to choose one or the other because you are required to take a year of physical education as a 7th grader. This can be done either through a regular PE class, which is non-competitive. You learn about the various sports, different athletic games. If you choose athletics, you can try out for football, for volleyball, for basketball, track. There are some different sports. 2 things to really remember though, if you're going to choose athletics, you will have to complete a district approved application or actually a physical form that will have to be on file for you to be able to participate in athletics. Also know that athletics is for a serious student who is ready to work hard, put in the effort that's needed for that class. You also have the option of cross-country. That would also fulfill your year of PE requirement, and as the title says, cross-country, you're going to be doing a lot of running.
On your course selection sheet, you will see 2 spots for you to write in alternate elective choices. We work really hard to get you into as many of your elective classes as possible, but with rising class sizes and high demand for certain electives, that may not always be an option. Once you have made your elective choices, I would like you to look over the electives list one more time and put some alternates down that you would be interested in taking if you were not able to get your first choice. This is helpful for us so that we don't have to make those decisions for you. Please just be sure to not choose an elective that you selected in your first choices or an advanced elective that requires an application. This does not increase your chances for that elective, and it only means that a counselor may have to make a choice for you, and most of these changes won't be made until well after the deadline for advanced electives. If you are a student who participates in a sport outside of school for at least 5 hours each week, then you may want to consider taking off-campus PE. An example of this is if you do equestrian horseback riding. If you think this is something you might be interested in, then you will need to go to the Magnolia ISD website under the Athletics tab and find Off-Campus PE. There you will find more information, including an application for you and an application for the vendor, which is where you participate in your outside sport. There is also a $100 fee and deadlines for both the vendor and the student applications. If you have more questions about this, please don't hesitate to email me.
Hi, I am Miss Robertson. I am the art teacher at Magnolia Junior High, and in Intro to Art, you do not have to have any experience to come join me, and these are some of the things that you will get to do. We play with clay, you make awesome sculptures, and we learn how to make beautiful artworks. So, hope to see you there.
Hello, my name is Mrs. McGowan, and I'm one of the band directors here at MJH. If you're interested in either starting band or staying in band, then this message is for you. We have 4 bands here at MJH: our cadet band, our beginner band, concert band, symphonic band, and wind ensemble. Cadet band is for beginners, which means you don't have to have any musical experience. We will teach you everything you need to know to become a very successful musician. We give you a little test at the beginning of the year to make sure that you're playing the best instrument for you, because not everybody's faces are shaped the same way, right? Our concert band, symphonic band, and wind ensemble are all audition based. That means if you are a current 6th grader who is in band, we will audition you at the end of the school year and place you in the band that best fits you and best fits the program. A few performances to think about. All 4 bands have 2 concerts throughout the year. We have a Christmas concert in December, and we have a spring concert in May. Our top 2 bands will compete in the spring in UIL, which means that you will go in against yourselves, just our band against us, and we will perform for a rating in front of a set of judges. But don't worry, we're going to prepare you all year for it. Don't freak out. If you have any questions, please reach out and we will do our best to answer them for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Burris and I'm the choir director here at MJH. If you love to sing or are interested in learning more about it, then my class is the place for you to be. We have 3 different choirs at MJH. We have our chamber choir, tenor bass choir, and our treble choir. As a 7th grade girl, you will be placed in my treble choir, and as a 7th grade guy, you'll be placed in my tenor bass choir. Each choir has approximately 4 concerts throughout the year, with the possibility of other concerts throughout the year. We have our fall and winter concerts during the first semester, and then we have our UIL contest and pop show in the spring. UIL is a judged performance where we get to put everything we've learned so far to the test. And Pop Show is our last concert of the year where we get to sing fun songs and learn some choreography. If you are interested in solo singing, we will have some opportunity available to you as well. In the fall, we have solo and ensemble contest where you learn a solo on your own and perform it for a judge for some feedback. And then you audition for a solo for Pop Show. We also have Region Choir, which is an audition choir with students from other schools that happens towards the end of the year. If you do not have any experience in choir, that's okay. I will teach you everything you need to know to become a better singer and musician. So sign up for choir, and I look forward to meeting you next year.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Albright. I am the Theater Arts Director and teacher here at Magnolia Junior High, and I just want to give you a little bit of information about what theater is about. Basically, I teach an introductory level class on theater and get you involved in theater so that you understand a little bit more about what theater is. I teach everything from basic just team building to acting, and it's a lot of fun, so I hope you'll get involved.
Hey guys, I am Ms. Gonzalez and I am the librarian at Magnolia Junior High, and I will be teaching the launch course. The launch course is a year-long project-based course in which you guys will have an opportunity to choose and research the problems within your world or within the community, and also find solutions to those problems as well. There is an application to join this course, and I hope that you guys apply, and I hope to see you next year.
Hey, I'm Miss Savoy, and if you're applying for yearbook, I just want to let you know what you're signing up for. If you're chosen for the class, we expect you to have a camera of some sort that you can use. We don't have one for checkout. A cell phone will work, but we prefer a good camera. You don't have to go buy one, but you'll be in charge of making our school yearbook, which that's last year and that's the year before. Hardcover, 96 pages, all color. You guys do every part of the book. It's all online and everything's done here in class, and it takes a year to make the book, and it's a lot of hard work and it's a lot of dedication. There are some times where you'll have to be with us after school and before school, so if you can't give us some time there, then you probably shouldn't be applying. And it's really just kind of like the biggest science project ever that never seems to end. You're always gathering and researching, and getting names spelled correctly and writing captions for photos. Ours actually has words in it. We journal, we don't just do pictures in the book. And we also have a lot of time together where we have fun, but we have a lot more time where we're working really hard to make sure that all the kids that pay $40 for a yearbook here at MJH get a good quality book that they will love for years to come. We're an award-winning yearbook, so we hope you apply and we hope that you get chosen. Thanks.
Now that you have learned a little about some of the electives we offer at MJH, you have noticed that some of those electives are going to require an application. As a 7th grader, if you are interested in advanced art, yearbook, or launch, then you will need to complete an application in order to be considered for those classes. The applications will be available at MIS, and we will share when they are available and deadlines soon. Please remember that you will not be considered for any of these electives if you do not complete and turn in an application. I hope that you now have a better understanding about the classes that are offered for 7th grade students at MJH. Please don't forget to visit the MJH website under the Counselors tab for more information, and we look forward to seeing you next year.